Ford Maverick Lobo. Street truck style meets practicality. Ford has redefined the small truck segment with the Maverick Lobo, a factory-built street truck designed for enthusiasts who want performance, style, and value without aftermarket modifications. This isn't just a cosmetic upgrade. It's a complete package that bridges the gap between nostalgic street truck culture and modern vehicle engineering. A nod to classic street trucks, the Maverick Lobo retains the versatility of the standard Maverick, but injects aggressive styling cues taken directly from the lowrider and street truck scene. Key features include 19-inch black turbofan wheels, a striking black grille, and LED projector headlamps with signature accent lighting. Inside, ActiveX seating surfaces with grabber blue and electric lime stitching emphasize the Lobo's bold aesthetic, while embossed logos reinforce the truck's unique identity. Performance-focused engineering, the Lobo isn't merely about looks. Lowered suspension, 0.5 inches in front and 1.12 inches in the rear, not only enhances the truck's stance, but also improves handling stability. While ground clearance is reduced to 7.4 inches, making it unsuitable for serious off-roading. The Lobo gains performance-tuned steering, torque vectoring, and upgraded brakes, including dual-piston calipers from the European Focus ST to deliver sharper, more responsive driving dynamics. Unleashing Lobo mode, Ford engineers didn't stop at hardware upgrades. The Lobo introduces Lobo mode, a specialized drive setting that optimizes cornering, grip, and stability. This mode is designed for track use, where drivers can fully experience the benefits of the vehicle's enhanced engineering. While not intended for everyday road use, Lobo mode provides an exhilarating experience for those seeking performance-focused driving. Price and positioning, the Lobo falls mid-range in the Maverick lineup, starting at $35,930. This makes it a more affordable option than the Tremor trim, $40,645, while still offering a unique and desirable package. There's no direct competitor in the market that matches the Lobo's combination of factory-built street truck style and performance upgrades. A niche vehicle with lasting appeal, the Ford Maverick Lobo is not for everyone. It caters to a small but passionate segment of truck enthusiasts who appreciate the blend of style, performance, and practicality. By delivering a complete factory solution, Ford eliminates the need for costly aftermarket modifications. This makes the Lobo a standout offering in a market where customization is often the only path to achieving similar results. The Lobo is a statement about what's possible when a manufacturer embraces a specific subculture instead of ignoring it. It's proof that there is a demand for factory-built street trucks and that Ford is willing to fill that gap.